Hello, I am Srinivas here. Today I am going to give a demonstration step by step the way to install an automatic washing machine. And it is a conventional taps which do not give proper access to the washing machines. And when they're connected to the washing machine, the water gets leaked and the function of the washing machine does not function well. Today let us go through this step by step method. First things first, all you need to do is to select the proper nozzle. There are three different types of nozzles as convenient to the washing machines are made of different makes. In this case, we are going to use a nozzle which has a cutting in the bottom where the screws can be inserted or fixed on the groove wherein it has a tight grip. The next step is when we are fixing a tap to the outlet, ensure that the threads are properly sitting in the groove. We will use a Teflon tape where it reduces the friction while installing and as well it reduces the leak. Please ensure that the overhead water tank, the valve is closed in order to stop the wastage of water. After the water is clear, insert the tap and rotate it in clockwise to tighten it. Do not tighten it to the far extent so that it might break. Just by rotating you can understand to what extent you can fix it. Now it is ready to fix. After fixing it, just test the tap if it is working. Open the knob in the gate valve in the overhead water tank, then test the water is flowing well. Now it is working well. To this tap we are going to connect this hose pipe which is connected to the washing machine. One side to the tap, the other side to the washing machine. Let's go through this once again. After tightening it, open the knob and check if there is any leak. Yes, it's perfectly right now and the washing machine is ready to be used. Congratulations on accomplishing the job successfully.